This video is sponsored by Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creators with more than 19,000 classes in videography, productivity, photography, and more. It is great for people who want to make their passion a full-time job or just progress in their own lives in an area they are passionate about. Premium membership begins at $10 a month, but for the first 199 people to sign up with the link in the description, you will get 2 months of Skillshare for free. These spots typically go really quickly, so make sure you get in there. There is actually a great class by Maria Poya, who is also a YouTuber, on how to film weddings, and I totally recommend it. Hey guys, Irene here. Today I have a behind the scenes video, and this photo shoot was heavily inspired by some of the very romantic paintings that I found on Pinterest. I will be doing a whole series on these, and the first one is a girl collecting flowers. I just told my model to come over with her makeup already done, as Lesha is pretty good at doing her own makeup, and just curly hair. I already had a few outfits picked up, but I needed my model to try them on for me to figure out which one I want to go with for this photo shoot. Trying on the first outfit. I think we're either gonna go for something very simple and romantic, or for something a little bit more like medieval looking with corsets. Let's try it. I know, it looks so nice. Let's try it with this cover up thingy.
What do you think?
To grandma.
Like I was gonna say. I feel like this is something
has to be with like a more open dress or something. This dress should be worn sexier alone. Let's actually try this one as well. Let's see what that looks like. Yeah. What do you think?
Do you think we need like a belt or something?
Yeah, we can totally just clip it to make the waist. Yeah, I actually really like this. I think this collar looks really nice on you.
Thank you.
I think this is definitely an option. Let me grab a hat as well. Another option here. I think we like the top, but the dress underneath, I think it might need to be something a little bit different, like with a different cut. Yeah, I don't like the top. I think that needs to be changed. We just switched the underneath layer to this like nude. I think I like this.
My only issue is, do you think it washes me out at all?
No, I think the color doesn't look bad. I do think maybe the blue would be nicer.
Yeah.
You know what? I have another dress. I have another blue one. Okay, so this is it with the blue dress. I think it looks really nice. Yeah. And I really like this. Take that this fan. Let's see. Because this fan would look good, right?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, I like it. You look like Juliet, you know, from Romeo and Juliet. Something that gives me those vibes.
Good. Oh my gosh, do I have like a gigantic
No, I think this is for like a child. I don't know. That's cute. I like it. What do you think? You don't like it?
I feel like it's just so small. I feel like I have like
because you have to kind of wear it kind of just like that. You
know? Okay, I see. Now I like it.
You would just pin it.
Yeah.
We decided we're gonna go with this outfit right here, and I just did Lesha's hair. I just kind of braided it on top here. So there's 2 braids. It's not French braiding. I just simply made a braid here, put it this way, and then another one, put it this way, and then kind of just made it a little bit fluffier. And then I'm just still gonna curl her baby hairs in a second, although they're kind of curly, but I'm gonna add a little bit. Luna! She was destroying the hat. Okay, you're getting out of here. After we got ready, we drove to our location, which is just a local park, and I'm shooting at golden hour as usual. I think we started around 7 p.m. Also, don't forget the bug spray in the summertime. I always have a bottle in my camera bag. The first location I chose was this very backlit path in the park, but I actually ended up not liking it. I think the sun was still pretty high, so it made a lot of the greenery look pretty yellow, and some of the highlights were blown out, so I actually ended up not using these images. Can you go actually? I want her to be more backlit. Like, she's not backlit enough for me. Okay, go even a little bit higher. Yeah, stay there. Okay, so I'm shooting kind of up to your knees.
Okay.
Can you walk just a little bit more this way, Lesha?
Yep.
Yeah, and then stay there. No, I liked it over here was the best. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm like can get exactly what I want. Yeah, let's switch the spots. There's another one I'm thinking of.
Whenever I feel like I'm stuck, I just go ahead and change the location, and in this situation it definitely helped.
Okay, yeah, this looks really nice. Turn with your leg a little bit more towards me, so more kind of like this way.
Sorry, I'm like...
Yeah, no, take your time. You can go a little bit further too, and don't stand on those rocks. Like if you go...
Like that?
Yeah, like over here, yeah. Yeah, like that. That looks beautiful. And then kind of look away. Yeah, like that. That looks really beautiful. This is what I wanted. Oh yeah, that's beautiful right there. Yeah, look at me in the camera. Take this a little bit more towards you, and again, yeah, like that, like that. Just keep it like this.
I also decided to shoot some medium format film. I'm using Porta 160 here. This is my second time ever shooting color and developing myself as well.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that looks beautiful. And just look at me. Oh, or you know what? Look to the side. Yeah, just like that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Can you pretend you're like grabbing something from the... Or yeah, can you do that? Do it with the other hand maybe. Can you put it on the other hand? So basket on this side, and then you're like grabbing from that side. Yeah. Don't go too high with the branch. Yeah, just like that. Can you put it down like this? Yeah. Look at the leaf. Yeah, here we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Pretend you're holding something in the basket again, and just look at me here.
She's fixing her creation.
Yes, we need a little bit more poof right here. That's beautiful. And then look to the side, kind of like that. Yeah, it's like, okay, stay like that, do not move. Or like a creep lurking in the...
Don't make me laugh.
Actually, this spot looks even nicer, and I don't have to go too far in the bushes. Yes, this looks really nice. Wait, this might be nice bokeh right there.
Covered in fog. Happy we found your...
The sun is like intense in the background. It looks really, really nice. So again, I want to see your leg here, because otherwise it's kind of getting lost in all this grass. Yeah, actually just stay like that. It looks really good. One, two, three. There it is. I want that lens flare in there. One. Wait, I'm gonna get closer.
Is that thing stable? Do you want me to weigh it down?
Oh no, I'm good. Thank you though. Can you actually look at me here? One, two, three. Oh, I hope this one is in focus. There it is. One, two, three. Actually, let's do this. Let's have it off your shoulders. Yeah, this is it. So twist it the other way so I see the flowers.
Like, just hold it on.
Yeah. Actually, hold it like that with both of your hands like this. No, I don't like it. Pull it back on one arm, like you had it before. Hold a little flower in it and just kind of pull it down. Yeah, like that. And then you're looking, yeah. Alright, so we are done with our photo shoot. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Lesha's Instagram if you want to follow her. She's really cool. I suggest it.
Thanks, Irene.
And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!